Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on text cursor indicator on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on text cursor indicator on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Easy of Access. In left pane, you will find text cursor. Click on text cursor. Look, the text cursor is turned off by default. If you want to turn it on, just click here. Now, text cursor indicator is turned on. Look, I am going to click on search. Look here, the text cursor indicator is showing. If I turn it off, look, there is no text cursor indicator here. This is the easiest way to turn on or off text cursor indicator on Windows 10 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.